In this video, we'll learn about rotating events. Rotating events is useful when there are overlapping events within a schedule. In a MustHaveMenus Display account, select the Schedules tab. Select New Event. Create a new event by selecting Content, giving the event a name, and setting the display date and time. When a new event is scheduled for the same day and time as an existing event, a warning message will appear. There's the option to override and rotate. Selecting Override ensures that the selected event takes precedence over the existing scheduled content. Selecting Rotate means that the designs will play interchangeably within the desired time frame. For this example, let's select Rotate. Set the desired playtime for each event and select Save. The calendar view will appear, showing the overlapping events. Now it's your turn to get ready, set, and create something great.